Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a couple of really cute little bee Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm going to use mine for a tier tray, but they would be cute for any spring or summer decor. I found this great like little honeycomb. It's kind of more of a candle holder at the Dollar Tree, but it had a little bee charm on it, and it was shaped like honey. I thought it was really cute. I'm just going to add some of the little mini yellow flowers from the Dollar Tree. I was trying to find some of the smallest ones, bright yellow. I think that would be really cute. And I'm just going to make mine into a little miniature vase, like a little honey vase for my tier tray. I always love to add a floral element if I can. And this was really easy to do. I'm just cutting off the little individual flowers and filling up the little pot of honey. I did think it needed a little sand in the bottom though to kind of hold everything together, kind of weigh it down as well. I just used some white sand from the Dollar Tree, so I didn't really distract from the color at all, and it let me arrange the flowers in there a little bit better. This is how this first little honey pot turned out. I think it's so cute. So many fun finds for a tier tray using Dollar Tree. For the next item, I'm just going to use one of their bee stepping stones. These little stepping stones from the Dollar Tree can be really cute, but you know what? They're not quite big enough to be real stepping stones for a garden. But they're great size for a tier tray or a coffee bar. Sometimes they're not painted the best though, so what I'm going to do is try to repaint mine a little bit to make it look a little bit better. And so I'm just going over everything with this bright yellow color. I'm also going to perk up his little beard, make it look a little bit whiter there with some white paint and the little white flower on there as well. A little pink there maybe for his little gnome or gonk nose, and just a few more touches. Just going to use a black paint pen to kind of sketch out the bee, add the bee stripes back on here. Now, if you can find one of these that's painted perfect, that's great. It seems like they've gotten a little bit better over the years in painting these, but sometimes they don't look their best. But with a few little touches like this, you can make them look a lot better. I'm just going to use this kind of as a leaner on my tier tray, and I just wanted it to look a little bit better with the bee theme. I love that it says be kind. I think that's really cute. So with a little bit of black paint on this one, I think it's looking way better. I'm just going to fill in any gaps here with a little bit of acrylic. This is how it turned out. I think it's really cute, a little be kind stepping stone for my tier tray as well. This is how my bee tier tray turned out. I had so much fun putting it together, so many fun little bee projects like this, and then I used a little lamb's ear as filler. If you'd like to watch the entire video or find more bee crafting DIYs using supplies from the Dollar Tree, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!